So you are looking for a new construction in Dacula, Georgia. Today in this video I'm going to show you a beautiful home of the month by Taylor Morrison. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, approximately 2,500 square feet, listed at $520,000. Can you believe that? This is a very good price for a 5-bedroom new construction home here in North Atlanta, Georgia. In today's video I'm going to give you a tour of the entire community. This community is called Bailey Fence, situated in Dacula, which is an amazing suburb of Atlanta. You will be in Gwinnett County Public School System. You will be in Dacula High School, which is 7 out of 10. This amazing community also has a beautiful pool and a cabana. Gorgeous. 92 homes in total. They just started building at the beginning of the year. So far they probably have 20 or 30 homes already built, but they're gonna build a lot this year, and prices are absolutely amazing. Believe me, for this property that I'm going to show you today, this home right here, this is $520,000. You will not find a 5-bedroom at this price point anywhere in North Atlanta. Now this is a beautiful home. It is by the street, so the back of the property will back to a little street. It's not a big street, so the traffic is not bad. That's why the incentives, and that's why it's such a good price. But let's go inside and check it out. So if you love it, make sure you contact us today so we can show you this property in person and we can help you go on the contract. Now Taylor Morrison in this beautiful community has 8 homes available, ready to move in. Now these 8 homes, because they are quick move in, 30 to 60 days, you will get a lot of incentives. You will get a lower interest rate, at least for the first year, 4.49 or 4.99. Now all of that depends on your credit score and how much you put down. Some builders are asking from 10% to 20% down to be able to take advantage of all the incentives. But make sure you contact us so we can bring you here. Now if you stick around until the end, I'm going to share with you the best kept secrets of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss. And we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bika with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Johns Creek, Sugar Hill, Beaufort, Dacula, Lawrenceville, or the surrounding areas. And we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today I'm going to show you a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, approximately 2,500 square feet, built in 2024 by Taylor Morrison here in Bailey Fence in Dacula. This home is listed at $520,000. Amazing deal for a new construction in a beautiful community that has a gorgeous pool, brand new community. Now let's drive to the neighborhood. Let me show you the amenities and then let's go and see this gorgeous property. Today I'm going to show you the home of the month. This home is listed at $520,000. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom, approximately 2,500 square feet with a beautiful covered patio in the back, a nice kitchen, white cabinets, big living room, a guest on the main, and of course a gorgeous master bedroom upstairs with a master bed and walk-in closet. Gorgeous, $520,000. This home is ready to move in, so fast move in. For those of you that are moving out of state, anywhere you are, if you want to be in Bailey Fence in Dacula, make sure you contact us today so we can bring you here so you can check out all the quick in move homes that they have available today. Now today I wanted to show you this one because it's at $520,000. Very rarely you're gonna find a 5-bedroom at this price point. So if you would love this floor plan and you think this home is for you, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and make sure you contact us today. Now let's go inside and check it out. These are empty lots available because they just starting building this community at the beginning of the year. So they already have maybe 20 or 30 homes done. So here are the lots. If this property that I showed you today is not the one for you, you can call me. We're gonna bring you here. You can choose the floor plan that best fits your family. You know, a bigger floor plan or smaller floor plan. You can actually also add a basement. It's going to be a little bit more expensive here in Taylor Morrison in Bailey Fence, because adding a basement is probably like $100,000. So instead of 500 to 600,000 home, you're gonna have from 600,000 to 700,000. You can actually choose a lot here anywhere at the end of the neighborhood and build. For example, the Sumner is one of the biggest floor plan. The Trenton also is very good floor from Taylor Morrison, where you can add a basement. So you're gonna have more space, and eventually down the road you can actually finish that basement. So a lot of possibilities here in Bailey Fence in Dacula by Taylor Morrison. Now, for those of you that don't need the basement, keep in mind from 500 to 585, you can get a beautiful floor plan here in Bailey Fence. So if you need a basement, right here, this street goes all the way down because they're gonna have a total of 92 homes. So you can choose the floor plan that best fits your family, and you can choose the lot. But now if you have a basement, it's going to be a little like a slope lot where they're gonna build the basement and you're gonna have a beautiful deck. So beautiful options, amazing options here in Bailey Fence by Taylor Morrison. Now, we hope this video was helpful for those of you that are trying to buy a new construction here in Dacula, Georgia. $520,000, a 5-bedroom is a very good deal. Now, if you don't like this one, not a problem. Make sure you contact us because they have 8 homes available that I can show you. But first, we have to register you with the listing agent. So make sure you contact me today so I can bring you here and show you everything that's available from $500,000 to $600,000. Some of them even over $600,000. The floor plans that are actually bigger or they have a basement. So make sure you contact us so we can bring you here. And comment below and let me know, is this property a good home for you and your family? Is it big enough, or are you looking for something bigger? Maybe the Sumner floor plan from Taylor Morrison, which is 3,500 square feet. This is Livia Bica with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. Until next time, I hope to see you around town.